Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen upgrades with a review of the OOFON Stainless Steel Grifos di Cosina 866,068 Revolutions Pull-Down Sprayer Kitchen Sink Faucet. If you're looking to enhance both the functionality and style of your kitchen, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. Now, let's get into it. The OOFON Stainless Steel Grifos di Cosina 866,068 Revolutions Pull-Down Sprayer Kitchen Sink Faucet is a kitchen faucet made of Sus 304 stainless steel that is resistant to rust and corrosion. It features a pull-down sprayer with 3 spray settings: stream, spray, and pause. The faucet also has a single handle. For easy control of water temperature and flow, the faucet is deck-mounted and requires a single hole for installation. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware and is easy to install without the need for a plumber. The faucet is also backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Here are some of the specific features of the OOFON Stainless Steel Grifos di Cosina 866,068 Revolutions Pull-Down Sprayer Kitchen Sink Faucet. Kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer 3-way spray setting: stream, spray, pause. Stream for filling water, spray for rinsing, pause for avoiding splashing in multitask mode. Single handle, easy operating to control temperature and flow. Volume: high arc 360-degree swivel spout, supply full range washing. Access: sprayer head always retract back to spout after each use. Healthy quality, eco-friendly Sus 304 stainless steel pull-out kitchen faucets, complied with lead-free regulation. Put your family health first. Specification: overall height 15.4, spout height 7.7, spout reach 8. Faucet will come with all the mounting hardware, 3/8 H&C inlet hoses. Included, you can DIY your installation without a plumber to save money and time. Here are some potential pros and cons of the OOFON Stainless Steel Grifos di Cosina 866,068R Pull-Down Sprayer Kitchen Sink Faucet. Pros: durable construction, multifunctional sprayer, single handle control, easy installation, affordable price, lead-free materials. Cons: maintenance, limited warranty details. Overall, the OOFON Stainless Steel Grifos di Cosina 866,068 Revolutions Pull-Down Sprayer Kitchen Sink Faucet offers a good combination of features, affordability, and ease of use. However, consider the potential drawbacks like limited brand recognition, shorter spout reach, and fewer user reviews before making a final decision. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already tried the OOFON Stainless Steel Grifos di Cosina 866,068 Revolutions Pull-Down Sprayer Kitchen Sink Faucet. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading!